Don't worry, I'll be back soon, okay?
It's going back in time. Alright.
I'll be back soon, don't worry. Alright, don't miss me too much. It's okay, it's fine. I'll be back.
Don't stay too long, please. What's keeping my husband this long? Let me call him. Hey, baby. I'm fine. Of course, I'm doing well. How's work going? Sure, you know I miss you. I'm missing you badly. Alright, no problem. Thank you. I love you too. Alright. You're welcome.
Honey, how are you?
I'm fine.
I know you missed me.
Of course, I miss you.
Dad is back home now. So, is there anything for us to eat?
Sure, you know there must always be something. The table is set for you.
Serious. I'm very hungry. Let's go inside. Okay. Come on. Adamu, how are you?
I'm different, sir.
Well done, man.
Welcome, sir.
Smart guy, eh? Yeah, you got to go love her. They two love each other. They two love each other. When we don't see grow like this, eh? Wow, my own, I would love the come for this side. My wife would love come for this side. We can't jam. Everything will work finish. I go soon jam my own. Love this sweet, oh, I don't know.
This way they look me so. Hope no problem.
Huh? You see?
Hope say no problem.
No. I see. You dey cook, sha?
Thank you.
I see. If I dey come life again, now you go born me.
You mean
Yes. You go born me. So that I go dey chop this your sweet food. I feel even marry you safe.
Talk truth. Good. Adamu.
Adia.
You dey dream big dreams, so.
Nah, plan before. Follow grab plan.
You dey dream big dreams. Good. This guy.
I see. Blockish. The bed you waka, my head you the why. I just tell her say, I feel marry herself. She laugh. You don't tell where this girl they need this you. But me they fuck up. No, I dey fuck up. I wish I know the fuck up. I don't tell her since. She don't green like this one. Me self don't green. Me I go dey love the comfort this side. She go dey love the comfort side. The thing go down. As madam or God they do, how they love. Oh, use love to spoil this house. I pity this house. See love. See.
I bought the other ones to the inside. Did you say it?
Of course I did. And it's really nice.
Really? Hmm? I know you like it.
I love it.
Can I have one? I don't know, your tints always attract me. And that's how I'm going to buy it. So, I just saw the woman and I was like, this woman is so nice. So when she helped me carry the things to the car, I gave her something.
Oh, you made that woman?
Yeah, I did. I gave her something to
Why
dress
do you
you up.
always like buying from her?
I don't know, I feel like she's very neat, you know.
Neat?
Yeah, it makes me love the appearance, the way she arranges it. It's so beautiful.
Just the way she arranges it.
I'm telling you, she has some good eye for aesthetics, you know, so it's attracting me.
Are you serious?
Mm-hmm. It attracts me most of the time. Come on, girl.
What's the meaning of that? I don't want it again.
Please.
You don't want
Can I
it?
have it, please?
Duh.
I'll do that to you. Wait, I'm sorry now. Sorry, come on.
I know you're not giving me.
I'll give you.
Don't worry.
Come on.
Bring this one now.
Why you go tell me say I dey crazy? Because I love you.
See, no try am again. Which kind of nonsense be this?
Which one be me I not try again? I say I love you.
Come, you dey mad. You don't know your type. Which they bring this nonsense?
Na me you dey cause. Na me you dey insult. Na me
What's going on here?
Madam is Adamu.
Adamu, what is going on here?
I touch your waist.
Hello?
Madam, he was touching me. He had my waist.
Adamu, why would you do that?
Touch your waist. Okay. I tell her say I like him.
You know what? Just get inside. Adamu, can you just go to your duty post, please?
Thank you, ma. Thank you, ma. See. You do, Sha? You agree for me if you call the suffer me.
Agree. You know, see I be babe now. I got from small.
You're going to phone for me.
No best now.
To like you, Sha. Oh, you're too sweet.
You say sweet now.
You sure?
I love you.
I love you too. Give me this one. Give me for you. Aye! Ragmo, life is sweet. Life is sweet.
I love you, Ekwe.
Who carried you? Hey. You mean Amejina? Ajimo. Huh? Hey. I see. For a dream. She don't agree for me. Everything don't work out. Everything don't your work. I feel thought to this girl. You could green. Feel the phone for me. Come tell me for dream. Not true dream. You can't interpret for me. Say don't green. Hey. Today not today. Ugbena de gbe yawa no. We no go sleep. Hey. You had you very nice. Would you ever me now? You chop her for daytime. No worry, relax.
No. I really can't wrap my head around it. I was still trying. Yeah, I did, And I was wanting to ask you. Hope it wasn't my money you were spending like that.
If I don't spend your money, whose money would I spend?
You can't say that again.
Hope you enjoyed yourself.
Oh yeah, I enjoyed myself and I had fun. And my love, I want to tell you that I'm grateful. I am grateful for the gift of you in my life. I was thinking, how many women would take their husband out and spoil him like a baby? Well, you did.
If I don't take my husband out, who would I take out? I love you so much, my husband.
I love you so much, baby. You know how blessed the day I met you.
Can't say that again.
Come here. All right, wait. Why don't we go inside so I can show you what stuff is made of?
Stop it. Stop it.
Come on, baby. You know what I mean, right? Huh? Baby, do me some catwalk now. Let me see you.
Come on, baby.
Baby, I'm on my way.
Oh my God.
Baby, I'm on my way. Baby, I'm on my way. I'm on my way. I'm coming.
I say, for all the old banana fruit we got pack enter inside house. Now you give me 2 pieces. I say,
I beg take something make more for my throw away am.
what they talk to you, they talk another thing. I say, okay, you pack something. You go say, go give Adamu. You go the chop am. See as you even the chop am the dish, you know the facts. What did they worry you? If not be smarty, If not be smarty, yeah, if you boy you are all la kill
Me. Adamu me.
Don't take I. Very lovey. Ni menu.
God forbid
If
you.
not be love what I get for you. I for don't beat you. What is your face for? No I get. You don't worry this one.
I say you don't suffer. Adamu, you dey mad. Something they do you. You dey crazy.
Tell me the cause. What did I worry you?
You dey mad.
What's going on here? Huh?
I said,
Adamu?
what is wrong with you?
Sorry, sir.
Well, what's all this banter for? Do you want to bring down the roof? What's going on?
Is Adamu?
What about him?
I can't give her the banana where you say make I give her. Now they force me, they push me, they beat me, say you won't kiss me.
I said they lie. I said that's why they lie.
Nah lie. Look what you do just now.
Okay. Nah lie.
Adam, wait a minute. So, were you forcing her to kiss you?
No.
Is she your girlfriend?
No, sir. No, yes, sir. No, yes.
What do you mean?
Can you talk to me? What do you mean by no yes, no yes? What does that mean?
Madam, Oga, I say don't accept me.
Ha! When?
You don't agree for me now.
God forbid. I reject. When?
So you accepted to be his girlfriend, and why are you yelling?
No, ma. Ha! I did not accept you. No, ma.
I don't understand. Why are you confusing me? So who's lying here?
He's lying.
Who is lying here, Adamu? I'm asking you.
Oga, I know they lie. I say, now come meet me for dream. Say they already green for me. He even kiss me. We play love together.
God forbid.
He tell me say no go leave me. So when say go the shot. Okay, don't green.
So, in your dreams?
Yes, oh. She come.
Honey, I don't know what to say on
Babe, this is quite crazy. Anyways, love has different shades.
Obviously, it has different shades. I can see it.
Essie, please go in.
I better take something. Let me take something at home for you.
Honey, it's fine. Just go inside, please.
I don't even know why we came up.
It's fine.
Sorry, sir. Sorry. They shake your head. You wear my guy, you know, let me talk to her. Eh? You take your own, they take your own waka. Me not take my own. If not be say you be still young, guy. Maybe as you be just now, okay, follow and tell us, I go do what I want to do. You just they do your own, they go. I mean, no, not by you.
Wife right there. Come on here, baby. Come on. What's going on?
Richard, is this really who you are? Is this how you do your things?
I don't understand, baby. What are you talking about?
Don't you dare. Don't you ever call me babe.
What have I done?
You know what? I'm sick and tired of this marriage. I need a divorce.
What? Babe, you don't have to talk like that now. What have I done? Listen, whatever it is I have done, I'm sorry. I don't know what I did, but I'm really sorry. Why do you want to leave me? I'm sorry, okay, babe, please. Don't do this now. I'm begging, please.
Babe, I was just joking.
You say what?
Yeah.
That was a prank.
Yes, it was. I'm pregnant.
What?
You heard me right.
How you? You freak! Oh, you freak! Oh my God! My baby!
You're doing too much.
My baby! Essay! I don't want me about to be a dad! My baby!
What the hell is that?
My baby!
Your D like we be like say no your D. Me no understand though.
Oh, see person say go be like see person know your day life.
So why Adamu you talk to yourself? Hope say you never run mad.
Why I no go run mad? Why me no go run mad? When I dey talk to you since you green for me? Eh?
Me.
Don't need take am. Now you know.
Adamu. Me na big man food o. You no fit chop me. You go die on top now.
Aghahowa. See, may I tell you, me fair dey chop food wey pass your own. Talk less of you. Not be you. Fair try me.
You dey chop other people food, not me say you fit chop my own. Abeg, just rest, abeg. Na food I bring come for you, chop.
I say, the time when you come to beg me say you don't agree, I agree. I not go green again.
Meh. Adamu, you no agree for me. You no agree for me.
You no go understand. I no agree. Come better if na lie dey talk. Come better if na lie dey talk. I pray me I no agree. And for me I do. I agree. Na food I want chop you. They carry food they come. Now this one they ugly me. Where we understand? Let me hear ta mama. La nene ba no you to talk.
Honey? Oh.
You're back so early, what's it?
Yeah, I needed to come back to I took an excuse from work. And I told them that I needed to see my wife. How are you feeling?
Babe, that's not even necessary. I'm fine.
Come on, I know you're fine, okay? But I just had to come check on you.
As you can see, I'm okay.
What have you eaten?
I've had something.
You sure?
Yes.
Okay, I bought fruits for you, so is Jess in the kitchen?
Yes, she is. Don't worry. Let me just fix you something.
No, don't worry. You sit down, alright? Don't worry. I don't want anything.
Babe, I'm fine.
No, you don't have to stress yourself on it, okay? Alright? Essay! Where are you? Please come. I need to do something.
Babe, don't stress yourself, please.
Looking beautiful.
Like this. Thank you.
Sure. Well, your husband told me you're not feeling fine.
My husband?
Yes.
Was that what he told you?
Yeah, sure.
Don't mind him. I was just having a little bit of cold. As you can see, I'm fine now. Very fine.
Yeah, we thank God anyway.
Thank
God for that. So how are you doing?
I'm okay. How is your daughter?
She's fine. She's good.
It's been a while.
She's fine. One of these days we'll come and see you, don't worry.
Are you sure?
I'm so sure.
Please, you guys really
I'll bring her
come
along one of these days. Though you're looking okay anyway.
Thank you.
But you know your husband loves you so much. He does. And I'm happy for you.
You can say that again.
I'm so happy for you.
You know, Richard has always been the kind of man I wanted.
You can say that again.
You remember the Emekana?
Yeah,
you see all those kind of men? Those are the kind of men I have just been avoiding. But Richard, oh my God, let's not go there.
I'm happy for you. I'm so happy for you.
Richard is everything that I have prayed for. He's generous, he's you know what?
Bust my head. I'm happy for you anyway.
Thank you, Imade. Yeah. You're welcome.
Thank you, Dave.
What will I offer you?
Oh, who's home?
Hey, baby.
My baby girl. Oh, come here.
You're welcome. It's fine.
Yeah, honey, so I got you this. Yo.
Wow.
Come on, sit. So, I don't know, which one would you want?
How did you know I needed all these things?
Why won't I know you? Are you not my wife? Come on.
You're welcome.
Thank you, baby. So which one do you want? Anyway, just take what you want so that... is Esther inside?
Yes, she is.
Alright, so she can wash them for you.
Okay.
Okay. Let me just get this one here first.
I want the apple.
Alright.
Essay!
Baby, what's going on? Essay! Baby, Essay! Baby, talk to me. Baby, talk to me.
Okay, what happened now? What happened?
I don't know. She was going to the kitchen and she fell.
Madam!
Baby, talk to me. I don't want to see.
Madam!
Where's Adamu?
Adamu!
Okay, wait. Honey, talk to me.
Madam!
What's going on? Somebody help me!
Okay, wait till you beat her. Okay, you beat
You're asking me that kind of stupid question. Eh?
Okay, sorry. Madam. Okay, come on, take her to hospital. Okay, make me take her.
Adamu, hold her.
Okay. Madam. Madam, don't sleep.
Somebody don't tell me.
Don't sleep.
Doctor. Hello, doctor. Yeah, doctor, please. I have an emergency in my house. I need you like right now. Yeah, 10 minutes. Listen, I don't even have 10 minutes to give to you. I just need you in my house right now. My wife just passed out. Yes, please. Please, I beg you. I beg you. Yes, I beg you. Thank you. Honey, please talk to me. Honey, please. Honey, please talk to me. Honey, please talk to me. Please. Get me water. Please. Madam, please. Get me water! Honey, please talk to me. Please talk to me. Please, baby, please talk to me, please.
Mr. Richard.
Doctor, please, talk to me. How is she?
Your wife will be fine. Just give her some time to rest.
Doctor,
She'll be fine.
What exactly is wrong with my wife, please?
I can't say for now. But when she wakes up, you can bring her to the hospital for more tests. Okay? She'll be fine. Okay? Just true. Okay.
Thank you, doctor. Thank you. Baby, I'm so happy that you're awake. You know, I just couldn't rest since you passed out. The doctor said that as soon as you wake up, I should bring you over to the hospital, and I want to do that right now.
No, babe. Don't worry. As you can see, I'm fine. As soon as you go to work tomorrow, I will go to see the doctor.
No, honey. Listen, I can't leave you. I want to go with you to the hospital.
Don't worry. See, I don't like you giving excuses all the time at work, okay? I will go see the doctor while you go to work tomorrow.
Listen, honey, you know I love you so much and I don't want anything to happen to you.
Nothing will happen to me. I'm fine. I'm okay. Don't worry about me, okay?
It's fine, since you want to just rest and rest your head.
I just want to rest my head, dear, please.
It's fine, just rest your head, Honey, can you please hurry up, huh? Please. I'm running late. I have an emergency meeting, huh? The doctor will be waiting for you now. Huh? You ready? I hope you're not forgetting anything. Alright. Adamu?
Doctor, I'm really worried. How about the test?
Mrs. Richard, you don't have to get yourself so worried, okay? When the test result is out, I'll get back to you, okay?
Okay. Please, just get back to me as soon as possible. I'm becoming a laughing stock.
Like I said before, you don't have to get yourself so worried. I'll get back to you when the test result is out.
Okay.
Alright.
Thank you, doctor.
It's fine. I'll see wait till your husband told me, okay? Alright. Thank you.
Madam, fear me. It won't.
Eh? Hey!
Waiting.
This your affair to say this your eye not clear. So you want kill madam? Me for marry oga.
Awa! See, I know they pray me, madam, die you. But check me out now. Just check me. I be oga food. No be you ain't no good.
What you dey talk? Wetin you dey talk? I fit talk and say this your eye no clear. Your eye dey oga body. Now make me I go dey talk to you. You dey do. I fit talk and say your eye dey. You eh?
I beg, I no get time to talk to you. No, you shake me.
That person be. Okay. Me no good. Me dey forbid the thing. Okay, this man no fit enter your home. Where you dey find oga o? I don't understand though. So this girl be. Oh yeah, so man need him go for your brother be where? How when here? Wow.
Whew, it's been quite a day.
Welcome, babe.
Yeah. So, honey, how did your day go with the doctor?
It was fine,
Okay.
but the result isn't out yet. He said I should come back in 3 days.
3 days? Why? I mean, he should have just told you, so you just start your medication.
Well, babe, you know, all tests are not the same. Some tests tend to take just a day, while some take more than a day. So, as you can see, I'm fine. Let's just wait for him to call.
It's all right. You're the madam, so what more can I say? I'll just patiently wait, you know. I will wait. Anyway, yeah, so... sorry, honey, just a minute. Right. I want to check something. Just a minute, sorry. Yeah. I think that's good. How's my baby doing? I mean my baby boy.
Baby boy.
Yeah, baby boy.
Your baby is fine, but how did you know it's a boy?
Oh, come on. Don't tell me what I know. I know what I put in there. You know, I came in from the midfield. I went to the left flank and I gave it from there. I know what I put in there. Anyway, you know, so I was thinking on my way back from work, I wanted to get him a bicycle. Yeah, so that when he comes down, you know, he'll start to learn how to ride it early enough.
What?
What do you mean, what?
A bicycle?
Yeah.
Just wait for him to come down first, please.
No, come on. He has to start early so that, you know, he becomes like, you know, a rough rider like his dad. You know what I mean? Huh? Yeah? Come here, Mama. I love you.
I love it too.
So, do we have anything to eat?
Sure. There's something for you too.
All right, let's do it quickly.
Oh my God.
But honey, quickly get me a cup of juice or something.
What do you want?
Very cold juice. Anyone.
All right.
Thank you.
I will be right back.
That's my baby girl. I came from the left, through the middle. I know my baby.
I saw you and Adamu today.
That one. Just leave him. Say he wants to come and marry me.
It's good now. At least you have somebody that is disturbing you.
God forbid. I should marry him. You go and marry him. Oh.
God forbid. Even though they share, I not go even reach my tongue. Because that kind of man don't be my type at all.
Hey, it's not your type. It's my type. If you want to marry, you can go and marry him. Oh. God forbid. Over my dead body, I will not marry him.
You know now, Benin man, and I'm Muslim for that matter. Me, I ought to tell you my own sisterly advice. If you not give by force, you go give by chance. Because they do juju. And if you not want agree, me, I not the man, not the.
Over my dead body. If I marry him, eh? I don't know.
Instead of doing church, they follow different men. Follow Adamu. Adamu go gree for you. And he fine well and he get money. I hear say he get money. So as for me, he not be my type.
So it's my type. Come for over my dead body.
Me, I don't talk money. Now you come me. Me, I dey go my mama house.
Yes, like I said before, I will just send you some bags, maybe like 20 bags, so you can go through it. Yeah, no problem. You just send me the mail.
Oh, doctor.
Mr. Richard.
You're welcome. Please sit down.
We aren't expecting you.
Not at all. How was your day?
My day was fine.
You're welcome.
My day was fine. The test result is out, so I decided to come and explain it to you at home.
Oh,
that's great. Thank you.
That's nice. So, what's the test result saying?
Yes. What do we have there?
Madam, have you ever had kidney issues before?
Doctor, I don't understand. What do you mean kidney issues?
Kidney issues?
Yes.
No. No, I've never had anything as such before. Doctor, I think there is a mix-up somewhere. We have to redo another test. Yes. I have never had anything like kidney issues.
All right. If you say so. Madam, I would like to see you at the clinic tomorrow. Okay?
Sure. I'll be right there.
All right.
Yeah.
Mr. Richard.
Thank you for coming.
All right.
I appreciate you.
Madam, tomorrow.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, huh? Have a nice day.
I think there might be a mix-up somewhere. I've never had such. God forbid. You know what? I will just go and see him tomorrow, okay?
Do you want me to come with you?
No. You know you have to be at that place.
Yeah.
I'll go myself.
It's okay.
Yeah, it's nothing. I will just go. You know those hospitals, I'll just run another test.
It's okay, it's fine.
Doctor, you should have at least communicated my test result with me before going ahead to tell my husband. Do you want him to have heart attack?
Please, calm down. Okay? I don't want him to have heart attack. But why are you asking me all this?
Doctor, I've had these kidney issues for years. And I didn't want him to know. You see that man right there? He's everything to me. I have no father, no mother, no siblings. I don't even know where I came from.
I am sorry about that, but your both kidneys are failing. And you don't have any life left in you. The most important part is that you're pregnant.
Doctor, please, can you do me a favor? My husband must not know about this. Please. Please, doctor.
It's fine.
Thank you.
It's okay.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, doctor. Hey, baby.
Yeah, thank you, my love. Man,
How are you doing?
I'm good, my love. I really needed this. Why are you looking all excited? You seem perfectly okay.
Yeah, that's because I'm fine.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Come, give me a hug. Honey? Honey, what's wrong? Hey, my love, talk to me. Why are you crying?
It's nothing.
What do you mean it's nothing? You're crying.
The doctor said I had high fever. And I'm wondering why he just came up with kidney disease. And...
Are you serious? But why would he make such a mistake? What is wrong with him? Huh?
Babe.
Do you know what? I'm going there now.
Babe,
no, honey. Allow me to go there. No, I need to talk. I just want to have a conversation with him. Because why would they lie that?
Babe, please. I've sorted it out already. He apologized for his mistake, please. And he said it will never repeat itself again. It's sorted out, please.
That's an expensive mistake.
I know.
That's unprofessional.
Please calm down.
I don't want anyone to hurt you. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, my love. I'm sorry, okay? I'm sorry, baby. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, my love. Stop crying, please. Stop crying, my love. I love you so much, okay? It's okay. It's fine. It's fine. Sorry. Adamu? Adamu? Come. How are you? I need you to get me a remote for the TV.
Okay.
Then buy some batteries.
Okay, sir.
Alongside. If you see fruits, please make sure you buy some.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Please hurry up, I need this in a hurry. Yeah.
Adamu? Oh, babe.
Honey?
Adamu?
Don't worry, I sent him on an errand to get me something.
You sent Adamu on an errand?
Yes, I did. Is there a problem with that?
Why would you send Adamu on an errand?
I don't understand.
Do you want him to get missing?
A grown-up man like that get missing?
You know how he behaves.
Honey, is there something else you want to tell me that you're not saying?
Something is like
Like, what? Do you want me to... Come here. Wait now, come. Don't forget to fry 2 eggs. And plantain too, please.
How many eggs?
Make it 2. I need some pepper on it. You know how you do it.
No, please take water. I'm sorry. My body is hot. I will not be able to want this AC now because of the chain. Okay, water. Ma, please take water. Ma, water. Ma, Jesus. Ma. Hello, sir. Sir, madam has collapsed again. Yes, sir. Sir, please come on fast. I don't know what I'm going to do. Please, sir.
Okay, it's fine. I'll just call the doctor right away, please. It's fine.
Okay, sir. Ma, please don't die. I'm begging you, please.
Not again. Hello? Doctor, please. It seems like there's an emergency in my house. I just got the call from my house that my wife just collapsed again, please. I need you to please go to my house. Yes, please. Do that in a hurry. I beg you. Thank you. Yeah.
Let's see. What do you know say they worry madam? I been epilepsy they worry madam. Cause the way madam take dey fall, they shake up and down. Na epilepsy go dey worry that woman out there.
I epilepsy go worry madam.
Okay, you know what they worry?
I just say, I don't know, Sha. I don't really know. Abeg, come go. I'll bring food, come. They go, abeg.
No, wahala. That one I be the truth for inside.
Okay. Have you fixed it?
Yes.
Okay, that's
Don't finish, sir.
All right. You know where to fix it now, right? You know where to put it in the house. No problem.
Okay. Sorry, how much body?
Madam, she's getting better.
Okay, no vessel. I for advice, make we carry her go another better hospital. Cause this one where that doctor used to come up and down, they walk up and down. I'm not sure she go fit take care of madam.
Well, Adamu, thank you for your concern. Okay, but the doctor told me that she'll be fine. I wanted to take her to another hospital, but he was very insistent that she'll be fine.
Okay, sir.
Okay?
Okay, sir.
Thank you for your concern. Please make sure you fix that now.
All right.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. That doctor, he ain't no clear for your head. He ain't no clear. You gotta do something fast, though. Yeah.
Madam, see, I think it's high time you tell your husband.
If I tell my husband, he's probably going to die before me. And I don't want that to happen.
Are you okay? Are you okay? Sorry, okay? It's fine if you say so. At least you know your husband more than I do. But I will want you to tell him more time. Time is not in our favor. I don't want you to have a cardiovascular arrest when you're at home alone. Please, tell him. I'll take my leave now.
Thank you, doctor.
Mr. Richard, this your wife's constant illness. Don't you think it's becoming serious?
Sonia, I don't even know what to think anymore. I'm almost exhausting every option that I know of. I don't know what to do anymore.
Because it's actually giving me issues. I've been thinking of it here and there. You know she has been my childhood friend.
I know. And that's why I'm talking to you.
Okay, could it be...
Could it be what?
Well, never mind.
No, Sonia, if you know something, talk to me, please. I need help.
Don't worry. Never mind. Don't worry. I just believe. Just take me home. Don't worry.
Sonia, listen. If you know anything about this, you can tell me, please.
Don't worry. Just take me home. Just take me home, please. Please.
All right. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Yeah, I thought you were sitting outside. So you were going to sit here without me, right?
I knew you would. Babe?
Yeah?
Can I ask you a question?
Sure, why not? Yeah, what's the problem?
Okay. What if, for instance, I die? How would you feel?
Excuse me. What's the meaning of if you die? What kind of question is that? Listen, you're not going anywhere, my love. We're living here together. We're going to grow old together. And, we're going to die together.
Die together?
Yeah, together.
No, babe. There's no way that's going to happen. We can't die together.
No, wait. Well, why are you even asking me this kind of question? What's going on?
Nothing. I was just thinking. Can I tell you a story?
All right, sure.
Okay, so there was this woman. She was very, very sick. But she had a husband who loved her dearly. Like, they were so much in love. And for this reason, she didn't tell her husband the intensity of the illness. And then she died. How do you say the story?
Well, that's a very sad story, but for me, I just feel what the wife would have done was to tell the husband about it so they can both bear the pain together, Anyway, I just hope this is not like a real story. Did it really happen somewhere?
Yeah, it did.
Wow, I'm just wondering how the husband would feel. That's painful. I just, I hope that doesn't really happen in, some certain situations. That was quite a story. Did you send Essie on an errand?
Oh, yes, I did.
Because I didn't see her in the kitchen, so yeah.
She went to the market.
Adamu! Adamu! Where has he gone to? Adamu!
I don't think... Adamu?
Madam! Come, please.
See, my love.
Adamu, I don't want you for this house. Me no dey call me your wife again. What be your problem? You dey craze? You fit afford me. Which kind of nonsense be this one? See, no try am again. Dey hear me so? No try am. Nonsense.
I say. Sashi even dey call herself. Dey find more. I say. Me and you for this house. I love you. Even though you dey quarrel, if you say me go vex, me no go vex lie. I go wait till that day where you go tell me say yes I do. And me and you for this house. You go see.
Elizabeth! Elizabeth, come here!
Babe, did you just call me Elizabeth?
Yes, I just called your damn name. What the hell is wrong with you? Huh? No, what the hell is wrong with you? Do I look like a fool to you? I'm talking to you. Would you answer me? Do I look like a fool to you? No, do I look like a baby? That you just wake up one morning and you cook up stories to tell me? Today you're going to tell me the problem that is wrong with you.
Babe, nothing is wrong. Wait, all this because I told my husband a story?
What kind of a useless story are you talking about? Huh? No, tell me. What kind of a useless story are you talking about? Today you're sick. Tomorrow you're fainting. Next tomorrow you're ill. What is wrong with you? Today I will take you to the hospital by myself.
Babe. There'll be no need for that.
Excuse me? What do you mean by that? No, tell me, what do you mean by that? I am sick and tired of all this nonsense that is going on in this house. I will find out by myself and I will get to the root of this.
Can you just calm down?
What nonsense?
Babe?
What nonsense is that?
Babe! What? Oh my God.
I just want to know what's going on.
Everything will be absolutely okay. Let me call the doctor.
Is he around?
Yeah, he's around.
Oh, okay, fine. I'm waiting. Okay. I'm waiting. Can I come? No, it's fine. It's fine. Tell me, what exactly is going on with my wife? Huh? I'm losing it. I don't want to have baby, please.
Nothing is wrong with your wife. Oh, did she tell you anything?
What do you mean nothing is wrong with my wife? Huh? Are you trying to play with me? No, are you trying to play with me? Listen, if you don't tell me what is wrong with my wife, I will not live here.
See, your wife is in the right position to tell you if there is any problem. Not you coming into my office.
What do you mean by that? Huh? Doctor, I pay you to take care of my family and I'm still paying you. You cannot tell me to go home and ask my wife.
It's fine.
You were the one who conducted the test, so tell me.
It's fine. Can we at least go into my office?
I'm not going anywhere. You tell me right here. It's big enough.
Your wife has kidney failure. Both her kidneys are failing. She don't have life in her again. She might give up any moment from now.
What's going on? Huh? Baby, talk to me. What's going on?
Richard, I'm sorry for breaking your heart. I'm sorry for breaking.
You're sorry for what?
I'm sorry for breaking your heart.
What do you mean by that?
I'm dying. What? I never knew this kidney issue. We get to this extent.
What are you saying? What are you saying, honey? What are you saying?
Please forgive me.
What am I forgiving you for? What are you saying? Huh? Listen, you're not going anywhere. You're not going anywhere. You are not going anywhere. You and I promised to love each other. You and I promised to grow old together. You and I promised to die together. Don't do this now. Where are you going?
I have to return my cake to the owner.
Which cake? What cake are you returning? Who are you giving cake to? Huh? Honey, please don't do this to me now. Honey, where are you going to?
I have no strength in me and no.
What are you saying? Please. Honey, please don't leave me.
Please, I'm going.
You're not going anywhere. Honey, you're not going anywhere. Honey, please. Honey, please. Baby, please. Baby, please. Baby, please. Baby, please. Baby, please. You're not going anywhere. Baby, please. Baby, please. Baby, please don't do this. No, you're not there. Honey, talk to me. Honey, please talk to me. Honey, please. Honey, please talk to me now. Talk to me. I beg you. Please. Please, talk to me. Honey, please talk to me now, please. No. Honey, please talk to me now, baby, please. Baby, listen, I love you. I love you. Honey, I love you now, please. Baby, now, talk to me now. Doctor.
Mr. Richard.
Doctor, what's going on? How is my wife? She's better now, right?
I'm sorry.
You are sorry for what? I told you to go and check on her. What is you are sorry? I don't understand.
We lost her.
Who is we lost her? I don't understand. You lost her. Go and find her now.
I tried everything I could, but we lost her.
Who is we lost her?
Your wife is dead. See, I will advise you take her to the mortuary or you go bury her.
What is we lost? You lost her. You find her now. I told you to come and check on somebody who is bubbling with life. You come here to tell me that we. Who is we?
See, you're a man. Please take out. Please.
See, I'm a man. See, doctor, you know, for all of the years I have known you, you have never given me a false judgment. But for the first time, you are giving me a false judgment. What are you saying? No, this lady was bubbling with life. So which one is we? I mean, you lost her. What are you saying? Huh? Go and find her.
She's dead. She's dead.
She's what? What are you even saying?
See, sorry.
Listen, I see you as someone who is deranged. What are you saying? She's dead. Somebody who's bubbling with life. You're saying she's dead. Are you okay?
See, please. Sit.
What? You are telling me to sit? Sit down in my own. This is my house. I sit down here every time. The same woman that is there, she sits by my side every time. So what are you telling me? That she's dead? Are you okay? I'm very sure you don't know your job. Let me go and teach you. Excuse me.
Wait.
Listen. Hey. Doctor, you're in my house. You are in my. You cannot tell me that she's dead. What? Excuse me. Let me go and teach you your job.
Mr. Richard.
Excuse me. What do you mean by that? Huh? Somebody I told you to check on. You're telling me she's dead? You will find her now. What kind of nonsense is that?
Mr. Richard. Mr. Richard.
She was good like that.
Just tired. She just...
I say more got to live life now. I can say more got to live life. If one go, he not tell anybody. That's so life rich.
I'm just confused. How come? Like... Jesus.
Jamakwada.
Oga.
Oga. Oga. Me I see. We can't tell you. Say make you sorry. When your wife did die.
It's okay. This is not the end of the world. God knows best.
She's alive! 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 She's alive!
Sir.
She's alive! My wife! My wife! My wife! She's alive! She's not dead!
Okay.
She's not dead! She's not dead! Yeah! My wife! It's like I see it's talking to me. Stop. Honey, I brought you food. No, this is something you like. Please eat. Baby. Honey. It's sweet now. It's something you like. You like to eat it. Anytime I go to do, I go to work and I come back, I get this for you. Have you forgotten? You eat. Honey, stop doing this now. Stop doing this. You're frustrating me now, please. I've eaten it. It's nice. Honey, please eat now. Eat. Eat. That's all I want you to do. Eat. If you don't eat, how will you get your energy back? How will you get your energy back? Honey, please eat. Or you don't want pineapple? Should I get you banana? Okay, honey. You know what? You can just try one more. Just one more, please. Please, you're not opening your mouth. Open your mouth now. Please. Honey, please open your mouth. Why is your body cold? You're so cold. Let me get one water to clean you up. Honey, I'm coming. I'm coming. My love, I'm back. I'm sorry. I'll take care of you, okay? I'll take care of you, I promise you. I'll take care of you. Okay? Sorry, my love. Sorry, okay? See how beautiful you look. Very beautiful. Very beautiful. Seeing you like this makes me remember when I asked you out the first time. You know how you were shy. You didn't want to respond to me. And now see where we are. Every time I look at your face, I can't seem to forget that day. I'm so sorry, okay? Honey, sorry. How are you feeling now? to me now. Why are you keeping me quiet? Please talk to... Listen, talk to... It's me, oh. And it's Richie. Okay. Let me allow you rest. Let me allow you rest. Let me allow you rest. I'll stay with you. I'll stay with you.
Sir.
Sir.
You are finally here. Go and prepare food for my wife to eat.
Sir? So, what do you mean by that?
Are you deaf? I said go and prepare food for my lovely wife to eat.
I'm sorry, sir. But Madam is dead.
Are you mad?
No, sir.
Are you mad? 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 Are you mad?
No, sir.
Oh, you killed her.
No.
No, you killed her.
No, sir. No, I didn't kill her.
She goat. She goat. Listen, let me be the last time I will ever hear you say my wife is dead again.
Sorry, sir.
She's there and she's sleeping peacefully. Do you understand me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
If you know you don't want to lose your job, you go into that kitchen and prepare her something delicious to eat. Now get out!
Okay, sir.
Get out!
I'll go and prepare the food. Sorry, sir.
Bad pity. Useless somebody. Bad pity. Scallywag. She's alive. She's alive.
It's like our worker don't do run mad.
Eh?
Because the way they behave nowadays, I know they understand.
Now you dey see. Now you dey see Oga don dey craze. Now be say you know they could dey see. Oga told them once the man finish, they say, "Wetin me dey pray me not go enter market." Now that one make on do. See, I tell you, since when Madam did that, now I got you talk to what I don't know. Person wey real human be, I go they stay the same room with dead body. Where you shake am?
I don't see, me I no really blame Oga like that too. You see as he and Madam did they behave back then now. You see the way they take love each other.
Not true you talk o. Because the way Oga did they behave now, me don't tire. You not go enter market. No, I be make it.
No matter.
Now this one Mr. they talk that time. You see our love strong. Because see, maybe I used to do our own.
I beg, focus. I beg focus, though. Person just talk better thing. Just use that one to spoil everything now. Bros, focus.
Eh? Everybody na dey yo. Na my way I dey so. Na my way I dey so.
What did they worry yourself? What did they worry you?
Now you dey worry me. You na dey worry me.
Let me cannot let you sit down with you. What did be this one now?
As you sit down with me, so you know like her. You know like her.
These things. I can't take them anymore. Please stop it. Can you just move on, please? Babe, please stop buying all these things. I can't take them anymore. I can't take them anymore. Please. Babe. Stop buying all these things, please.
Adamu.
Welcome.
Where's your guy?
My guy not there around. He come out since. But you know the take will soon come back.
He didn't go to work.
My guy, work? My guy no dey go work again. Since when that wife did die, you know they go work again. Go come just now.
Is that so?
I tell you. My guy head now, eh? My guy be like person will be say he head not correct again. Whether the way my guy tell they do things now, eh? Not be so person till they do. They behave. I don't know, doctor. I don't know as I want to put on. I don't go cause my guy. Sorry, sir.
Doctor, what are you doing outside? Huh? Why didn't you go inside so my wife can entertain you?
Your wife?
Oh yes, my wife, she's inside.
But your wife is dead.
Doctor, are you mad? No, like, are you deranged? Doctor, is there something wrong with you? In your entire life, have you ever loved somebody? Have you ever promised to marry and spend your life together? Have you ever? Do you know what it means to love? Do you know what it means to say, I do? Don't you ever open that your daughter mouth to say my wife is dead again? I bought food for her. She eats fruits. We love it. We eat it every time. You're just lunatic. My wife is not dead. Honey? Honey, I'm home. Honey?
Eh? You just salupa me. Oga. Hell. I'm not winning. Person we don't die. Now God they say in bad fruit can't give. Oh. This my God, me never understand that again. Oga do the craze. Oh. Yes. Oga do the craze. Wait oh. Oga dey Chris. Me dey. Who wan come dey pay me? Let me see me dey work for another ground. I don't understand this Oga. Emo bara don't know.
Mr. Richard.
Doctor. Before you even say anything, listen, I do not appreciate what you did outside. I don't appreciate it at all. That was my wife you were addressing outside like that. Huh?
I'm sorry about that, okay? Your wife is fine.
Of course,
she's inside.
You saw yes, her. Yes,
she's inside. Your wife is fine.
She's relaxing. I told her to rest.
That's good. That's good. I saw you when you brought in some fruits. Can you get me some?
Oh, you want some fruit?
Yeah, because I want some.
You'd have told me now. Huh? you just wanted to pump my blood up a bit. It's not nice now, huh? Let me get some for you.
No problem.
Let me ask Essie.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, Essie. Yeah, doctor. So I just got this one for you now. Instead of like slicing. You take that one home.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
This is so kind of you. Your drink. Your wife is inside. You have to drink. She's fine.
You know, it's been a new adventure for me. Taking care of her. And I've never been in this state before.
Yeah, cheers to that. Yeah. Cheers to that. Cheers to that. Yeah, drink up. Drink up.
You know, it's a lot. When you choose to take care of a woman that you love so much. You know. That's true. It's a new adventure.
Yeah, that's true. Drink up.
Of course I am. Okay, please. You are a family friend. I respect you for that. Let's continue to be
take some more drink.
Don't do this, please. I beg you. Don't tell me to be drunk. You see, it's something I noticed about this country.
Yeah.
Over the time, a lot has been happening that you and I cannot even, we cannot totally exhaust. But as men, we always,
Essie! Please, come here, Damo. Meet me inside. Both of you should meet me inside. Hurry up!
You're welcome once again.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome to our facility. Hope you don't mind. No more time because of the inflows of patients. We do close nets. Hope you don't mind. Have to cope with us.
I don't really mind. I do that all the time.
That's great. That's great.
Let's
God
do
bless
it.
you. You're welcome.
Doc, please sing.
Oh, Doc, what's the matter? What's happening? Ah, that is the consultant. That is the consultant. Yeah.
Doc,
Yeah, welcome, sir.
did this young lady I saw at the registration, who is she?
She's the new nurse that was posted to the facility last week.
New nurse.
Yes, sir.
How come I'm not aware?
Ah, it's because you were off and on last week on duty. That's why you couldn't take notice.
That's true. You know I traveled.
Yeah, welcome, sir.
Please, can you tell her to see me in my office?
Okay, sir. Let me do that right now.
All right.
Doctor. The doctor go to. Honey? Honey? I said, honey? Doctor! Doctor!
Stefano, please. Please, let us do this. Please.
I'll think about it, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. You can go now. Thank you.
Doctor! 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 Where's my wife? Where's my wife? Answer me before I do something stupid!
Please calm down. Calm down, please.
Where is my wife?
Okay, see. We flew outside the country for a proper treatment. Your wife is not dead. She's not dead.
Why didn't you tell me?
See, I just wanted you to be happy. Your wife will be back anytime soon. Unfortunately, we lost the baby. twin sister?
I have been looking for her for the past 15 years. The woman that adopted us told me about her. Doctor, the moment I entered that house, I felt it in my spirit. That's my twin sister.
I believe you. She made mention of her being an orphan.
Yes, we were adopted.
My love. You see, the greatest thing that has happened to me is to have you here with me. I was telling the doctor that there is no way my wife is dead. I believed it so much. And here you are with me now, looking as beautiful as ever.
Thank you. Don't worry, I'm here with you now. You don't have to worry about anything.
No, I'm not going to worry about anything. And you're not going anywhere. My love. You see, the greatest thing that has happened to me is to have you here with me. You know, I was telling the doctor that my wife is not dead. They kept telling me she was dead.
Really?
Yes.
Why would the doctor want to blow your mind?
I don't know. Maybe he was just being less professional, I guess. Or unprofessional, as the case may be. You know.
Anyways, I'm here now. You don't have to worry about anything.
Absolutely. I am not going to worry about anything because you're not leaving me. That's your ring.
Oh, my ring. I think I left it at the hospital while I was receiving treatment.
Really?
Yeah.
Anyway, that's fine. I'll get you a better one.
Really?
Yes, I will.
Thank you.
I love you so much.
I love you too.
That smile.